To continue getting the very best cleaning performance from your sweeper, you'll need to clear the brush bar every now and then. And here's how.
Firstly, with the telescopic handle and the battery removed, take off the front visor by clipping it off the plastic studs. Then remove the dust tray. Now, turn the sweeper upside down and remove the edge brush by squeezing the latch and lifting. You'll now see the belt on the gear, which you can remove too by pulling it to the side. Then lift the brush bar out of the sweeper, remove any debris and clean with a dry cloth. Before placing the brush bar back, make sure that firstly it's dry, and secondly that the dot is facing up, like this, to secure it. Then simply hook the belt around the gear to replace the belt. Now we can refit the edge brush, followed by the dust tray and the visor. And that's job done. You're ready to sweep again. Replacement brush bars are available from gtech.co.uk.